This is going to be a video tutorial on how to hide your IP address during calls on Signal. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Signal app. To hide your IP address during calls on Signal, first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper left-hand corner up to my little profile icon. I'm going to tap on that. Then I'm going to tap on Settings. Now on the Settings page, you want to scroll down a little ways, down to where you see it says Privacy. Tap on Privacy. Then you'll scroll down all the way to the bottom where it says Advanced. Tap on Advanced. And then right in here, Always Relay Calls. Down below that it says Relay all calls through a Signal server to avoid revealing your IP address to your contact. Enabling will reduce call quality. You would just toggle this on right here. Always relay calls. That is how to hide your IP address during calls on Signal. Thanks for watching.